here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to update apps, you'll firstly have to open Play Store. Then you have to tap here, go to the My Apps and Games. Here you will see all of your apps and games, all of the apps and games which is up to date. So you can just tap update all and update them all, but it could take some time. You can update them one by one by tapping update here, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.